Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you my secrets to my long hair. Yes guys, so if you want to see more videos like this from me in the future, make sure to hit that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. I started my hair journey 2014. That was 6 years ago. Okay, when I started my hair journey, I was planning to go natural for about a year or two before I relaxed my hair, because I had the feeling that if I was natural, my hair would be more healthy. But guys, I have actually found out that that is not true. You can have natural hair and have a hair that is not healthy, and you can have relaxed hair and have a hair that is healthy. So it depends on how you care for your hair, how you maintain your hair and stuff like that. So when I started, like I said, my plan was to go natural for a few years before relaxing my hair. But 6 months into my journey, guys, I got frustrated. Like, I could not manage my hair, so I could not comb, because back then I didn't know about moisturizing and sealing and all that stuff. So I couldn't keep up with the texture of my hair, so I just had to relax my hair. So guys, ever since then I've been on this amazing journey and it has been so lovely. Yeah, I've had quite some setbacks, and now it's 2020. My hair is 6 years old. I am so proud of my hair. I'm so proud of this journey. Please, if you have not watched my video on my hair growth journey, make sure to watch that. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below, or somewhere here or here, so that you can watch that video if you are interested. So one of the factors that contributed to my hair journey was my genetics. Yes guys, genetics is a factor when it comes to your hair journey, but genetics does not really determine how healthy your hair is going to be or how long it's going to be. Genetics will just determine the density of your hair, how fast your hair is going to grow. So for my genetics, I have a fast hair growth, and that's just that, guys. So guys, when it comes to genetics, that's just basically the rule. So you will still have to care for your hair. Having long and healthy hair depends on your care, the time you invest in your hair, the products, the knowledge you gain for your hair, and the time you spend on your hair. It does not depend on genetics. So if you had the mindset that, hey, her hair is long because it runs in her family, or her hair is long because she has the genes, guys, that's not true, and that's not a fact. Genetics will only determine your hair density and how fast your hair grows. It does not determine how long your hair will be or how healthy your hair will be. That depends on you. Now guys, to the main secrets, my secrets to long hair is protective styling. I know you may feel surprised or look surprised, but that's my secret. In fact, routines like moisturizing and sealing, sleeping on certain pillowcases and things like that, I just started them like a year ago, and before that my hair was already past mid-back length. So all through those early 5 years I never did any of those. What I did majorly was protective styling. So what I do is I make my hair, I can use protective styles like box braid, wigs, weaves, crochet. Initially when I started this journey, I used to leave them in for 6 weeks before taking them out, and after taking them out I always find out that my hair has grown past the initial length before I put it into the box braid. So I use protective styling to grow my hair to mid-back length. Yeah, to mid-back length. Then I realized that my hair was not retaining length. That was 2 years ago. So that was when I started researching other methods to make your hair longer. And then I came across YouTube videos, YouTubers saying they moisturize their hair, they wash their hair daily, and sleep on certain pillowcases and stuff like that. And then I decided to try that. I tried it for about 6 months to a year, and I didn't really notice any difference in the growth of my hair. Then I decided to go back to my old style, but this time what I did was I stretched my protective style. Instead of 6 months, I started leaving it in for 3 months. Yeah guys, I know that sounds like a lot of time, but you can actually keep your scalp clean and wash your hair even while in a protective style. I'm going to leave a link to that video down in the description box in case you're interested. So guys, after I did it and started stretching it for 3 months, I found out that my hair, I started retaining length again. So guys, I can really say that protective styling has actually been my lifesaver. Most of the time you find out that the less you do to your hair, the more it will grow, the more it will flourish. Your hair doesn't like to be disturbed, okay? I'm actually talking from experience and from different experiments I've carried out, and I found out that the less I did to my hair, the more my hair flourished. So I decided to stick with that. So yes guys, that's it. My major secret, or my secret to my long hair, is protective style. So yeah guys, now the cat is out of the bag, because this was actually a very highly requested video, so I just decided to film it today. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you're interested in knowing what protective style to grow your hair, or protective style that are better at growing your hair or retaining length, please drop a comment in the comment section down below if you are interested, so that I'll make a video on that and talk on the different protective styles and the ones that can actually help your hair the most, and the ones that are not so protective. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe by hitting that lovely subscribe button below, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.